Hi, my name is Elisabet Rojas, and today we will make a familiar recipe. The name recipe is Quisbones. The ingredients are 1 small pumpkin, 1/4 top cream cheese, 2 eggs, 1/4 tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, and butter. The utensils are grated casserole dish, fishing pan, fork, spatula, knife, hook, and dish. To prepare the first thing we must do is cut the small pumpkin on half and peel it. Second, grate the small pumpkin. Third, grate the top crumb cheese. Fourth, add the eggs. Pinch of salt, 1/4 tablespoon of sugar. Fifth, mix of the ingredients with the fork. Sixth, heat the fishing pan. Once hot, add the butter to spread on the fishing pan. Add a little of the mixture to the fishing pan. Spread fast and lower the meat low. After 5 minutes, flip the tortilla with the spatula. You now have your small pumpkin Quisbones ready and place it on a dish. And you can and cheese on top with butter. Or you can fry an egg and put it on top depending of taste or preference.
Origin of the Quisbones. It is a family recipe inherited from my great-grandmother. This recipe was made to prevent chronic disease due to the vitamins contained in the small pumpkin, which are A, B, C, and E, which protect eyesight, strengthening the skin, hair, and nails. It also contains fiber, phosphorus, calcium, potassium, and magnesium. In addition to being a food that does not contain gluten, it can be consumed for breakfast or as a complement to lunch or simply at dinner with a delicious coffee.